Hey guys, it's Blaine here again, your tech guide. Today we are going to be doing a battery test on the Watch 4 Classic 42mm. This one here has a 247 milliamp battery, and as you can see, I'm at 100% right now. So we're gonna time it and do a real-world day-to-day battery life test. So the settings is exactly the same thing as my other watches. I've set the screen display brightness to approximately 3, level 3. NFC, Wi-Fi, what else is there? Location and multimedia controller has been turned off. I've got the heart rate monitor set to continuous, and I will be setting the watch in sleep mode before I head to bed. So here we go. I'm gonna remove this charger, and then we're gonna press the start, and we'll go from there. So by the way, this is the Bluetooth and Bluetooth version, and I'm hooked up on my Note 9. And what else is there? Okay, so here we go. We're gonna remove this and press the timer. Okay, let's put this on my wrist. So I've got the always on screen display activated. What else is there? Okay. Those are my settings. I don't know if you guys could see that on the camera, but there you go. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted from time to time to see where the battery life is at. All right, let's check out the time. It is 1:06 in the morning, and the time is 1 hour and 4 minutes. And our battery, we are at 98%. 3:27 in the morning, and the time is and the time we have so far is 3 hours and 25 minutes, and we are at 85%. So I'm gonna activate sleep mode, and whenever I wake up tomorrow morning, I will deactivate it. So just give me a second here. So sleep mode is fully activated. That's it. Have a good night, guys. Good morning, everybody. It is 8:06 and the time is 8:04, 8 hours and 4 minutes. And as you can see, it is in sleep mode. I'm gonna activate it now. Okay, turn off, and our battery, we are at 77%. All right, so it is 9:15 and the time is 9 hours and 13 minutes, and we are at 71%. All right, guys, so the time is 10:59, and we have reached 10 hours and 57 minutes. And our battery, we are at 60%. So it is 12:43 and the time we are at is 12 hours and 41 minutes. And the battery, we are at 52%, guys. 1:35 and our time is 13 hours and 33 minutes, and we are at 47%. All right, guys, so it is 4:03 p.m. and we are at 16 hours and 1 minute. Let's turn that one off. So 16 hours and 1 minute, and our battery is at 34%. 6:19 p.m. and we are at 18 hours and 17 minutes. The battery, we are at 19%. It is 8:39 p.m. and we are at 20 hours and 37 minutes. The battery is at 9%. We're closing in, guys, closing in. It is 9:58 right now. And the time, we've got 21 hours and 56 minutes. And our battery, we are at 2%. All right. So we're almost there. We're almost there. And it looks like we will not make it to midnight. And I already noticed that the battery on this Watch 4 Classic is not the best compared to the previous one. Guys, so I just noticed my watch is at 1% right now. This thing's about to pretty much shut down on me. And the time is 10:02 p.m. and the stopwatch, we are at 22 hours. Okay, so this is gonna go down anytime soon, and definitely can't even make it through a day, guys. On my previous watch 3, I was able to make it through a day and a couple more hours. I don't know, do you really need to fix the software on this? It's just eating a lot of battery. Even though the settings is exactly the same thing. We've got the continuous heart rate monitor, exactly the same settings. With my watch 3, I was able to manage to get through a day, whereas this one, you just can't, guys. So we're just waiting until this thing goes down, and hopefully there should be a firmware update for this so that they could polish the battery, because so far right now, my watch 4, I mean, the regular one, that one too didn't make it through the day. So the impression of the new OS on this is not that great, guys. You know, it should be an improvement from the previous one, but for some reason it's more of a downgrade. There you go. So the Watch 4 Classic just died right here live, and there you go. That is 22 hours and 2 minutes is the time, guys. Okay, so there you have it. So once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. That's my